What's up guys, Jeff Fong here, and for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you an unboxing video and a quick style guide on the new Jordan 11 Low Snakeskin, which was released I think last Saturday, April 20, 2019. By the way, the SRP of this is around 8,995, and I think there's a few more pairs available at the web store of Titan. Shout out to my friend who hooked me up with a pair at Titan Shang. So let's go. So let's start with the box right here. As you can see, it has a snakeskin texture all over it, and it has like a silver Michael Jordan logo at the center. Now let's go to the shoes. Yan. As you can see, it has a snakeskin reptile texture all around the shoe. So it has a leather material here at the top, and it has a Jordan branding here on the tongue. And here's how the bottom part of the shoe looks like. And as you can see, it has an icy sole bottom with navy blue pods. Let's go to the back part of the shoe. It has a small embroidered Jordan logo over here. So here's an on-feet preview and style guide for you guys. Let's start with look number 1. Here's a comfy daily look for you guys. I'm gonna wear it with this white Carhartt top from Puka Manila, these gray sweatshorts, and finish the look with a yellow rip and dip beanie. So I'm done shooting the first outfit, and after wearing it, I suggest you go a half size down because it's a bit big. On to look number 2. For this look, I'm gonna wear this Gildan neon green hoodie, blue denim straight cut pants which I got from Topman, and top it off with a gray New Era cap. And for the last look, I'm gonna wear the Jordan 11 snakeskin with this navy blue 100 long sleeve tee which I got from the Nines, these white pants from Topman, and top it off with a black beanie. So that's it for this vlog. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @IamJeffOng. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes on the comment section below. Shout out to Puka Manila for hooking me up with these Carhartt shirt. I think they have different colors available, so do check them out. I'm gonna put their link down below. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.